Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how I earn money from it. For people who don't know what data data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata, descriptors, or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for create labeled datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotation or annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality label datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, guys, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation. Involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple. Create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see there, here we have a small number of results. That means a small numbers of offers. Comparing with other services, let's see here we have, for example, logo design. As we can see, you will find a big number. So as we can see here, for this service logo design, we have here over 240,000 results. That means over 240,000 offers. So it's really a competitive number. That means there is a strong competition. Let's see another one. For example, writing and translation. Let's see, for example, another one. Uh, Let's see, for example, article and blogs posts, and we will find also, as you can see, here we have over 51,000 results. That means over 51,000 of offers. So it's really a strong competition. Um, So the only thing you have to do is open your web browser and go to fiverr.com. It will lead you to this home page. So this is the home page. You can start as a data annotator by clicking here AI services, and then you will find data annotation, and you can just scroll down over here and you will find services. So you will go to data, and here we have data annotation in data analysis, and you can click over here, and as you can see many offers appear. So you don't have to need any advanced coding skills. If we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services, and the minimum amount here, as you can see, it's $5. You can find also $10, $20, $35, and you can find $100. So it's depend on how much services you offer and how much time you need to finish this job. So you can earn money by trying to get offers in this Fiverr platform, and this is the number of offer that they or the number of jobs they get so far. So you can start making money with this simple service. So to more understand, let's select another example or an example. Here we have this one. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life as a title. And as a data annotators, it will be your task is labeling items, images as example videos by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. So for charge, we have here for the basic one, it's $5 for 400 bounding boxes and delivery in 1 day. And for the standard one is $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes and delivery in 2 days. For the premium one and delivery 6 days, 100 to $25 for 10,000 bounding boxes. So as we can see, you can find the same offer, but you cannot find the same details. So you cannot find the same delivery or the same amount or the same number of bounding boxes. To more understand, let's see another example. So here we have that one, the same title, the same service, but for the basic one, $5 for 400 bounding boxes, delivery in 1 day. We're okay with that. But the second, it's um different. So here we have $80 for 4,000 bounding boxes, delivery in 2 days, and for the premium one, $200 for 10,000 bounding boxes and delivery in 5 days. So it's depend on how much time you need, how much time or how much bounding boxes you can get to or then you can select, you can choose the amount you wanna make. So this is how data annotation works. You can get information in other platforms, so you can just um, write data annotation, and there is a lot of information you can get it just to start. It's the basic information to get started as a data annotators. So there's another platform you can earn money from it. For example, we have here AudioB. It's for audio data. You can just click over here, became a freelancer, and then you will start as a freelancer on data annotation. And here we have another one. It's Toluca. You can start as a Toluca by clicking here, login, and then you will read the earn money. You will select over here and you will start as a looker by continuing with Google or with Facebook. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.